Hello students, today we will do the word problems of chapter 2, large numbers, mathematics, class 4. This is 8th part of this chapter. Okay, you see page number 86. Find the missing addends in each case and check the answer. First, we have to find the missing addend, then to check whether it is correct or not. You see the first question, when 82,104 was added to a certain number, the sum obtained was 1,64,720. That means the sum is 1,64,720. One of the addend is 82,104. To find the next number, we have to subtract from the sum the addend. That means we have to subtract 82,104 from the sum, that is 1,64,720. So when we will subtract, we will get 82,616. So the missing number is 82,616. Okay. When we will check, we have to subtract the addend from the sum. You see in the right side, 1,64,720 minus 82,104. So the answer is 82,616. Okay, this is checked. Now the second question, if the sum of two numbers is 63,529 and one number is 34,381, find the other. That means the first number is sum of two numbers, that is the sum is 63,529. One of the addend is 34,381. So you see missing number plus 34,381 equal to the sum, that is 63,529. So the missing number is 63,529 minus 34,381. So the missing number is 29,148. So 29,148 plus 34,381 equal to 63,529. When we will check, we subtract 34,381 from the sum, we will get the answer also 29,148. Okay. Next, see the question number 3. If the sum of two numbers is 6,95,928 and one number is 54,387. The sum is given, one number is given, so the next number is So the next number is sum minus the given addend, that is 54,387. So we will get the missing number 6,41,541. That means 54,387 plus 6,41,541 equal to 6,95,928. You see the right side how it is checked. Sum minus given addend, sum minus given addend equal to the missing addend, that is 6,41,541. Okay. Next, question number 4. Okay. If one number is 83,947 and the sum is 4,65,493, find the other number. The sum is given 4,65,493. One of the addend is 83,947. So we get the answer, the missing number from subtracting the given addend from the sum is 3,81,546. So 83,947 plus 3,81,546 equal to 4,65,493. You see in the right side how it is checked. The sum minus the addend, we get the missing number, that is 3,81,540. Now see the next question, question number 1. Find the number from which 2,54,328 must be subtracted to give 2,24,321. Here the minuend is not given. The subtrahend is 2,54,320 and the difference is 2,24,321. This must given. So to get minuend we have to add subtrahend with the difference. We have to add subtrahend with the difference. The difference, you see, difference is 2,24,321. Subtrahend is 2,54,328. So the sum is 4,78,649. So the answer is, the minuend is 4,78,649 and we have to subtract 2,54,321. So the difference is 2,24,321. Okay. Next, see the question number 2. Find the number from which when subtracted 1,54,708 it gives 1,30,572. Here the subtrahend is 1,54,708 and the difference is 1,30,572. To get the minuend we have to add the difference and the subtrahend. So the answer is 2,58,280, which is minuend. Okay. So answer is 2,58,280 is the number. When subtracted 1,54,708, it gives 1,30,570. Okay. Next, question number 3. Find the number which, when subtracted from 7,54,836, it gives 2,71,982. Here we have to subtract from, that is minuend. The difference 2,71,982. So we have to calculate subtrahend. To get subtrahend, we have to subtract the difference from the minuend. So the answer is 4,82,854. Okay. So when we subtract 4,82,854 from 7,54,836, it gives 2,71,982. Okay. Next question. Find the minuend which gives difference of 3,81,364 when the subtrahend is 3,16,945. Subtrahend is 3,16,945 and the difference is 3,81,364. To get the minuend, we have to add difference with the subtrahend. So the answer is 6,98,309. When the minuend is 6,98,309, which gives difference 3,81,364 when subtracted 3,16,945. Okay. Next, find the number which must be subtracted from 4,35,678 to give difference 4,12,347. The difference is 4,12,347 and the minuend is 4,35,678. To get the subtrahend, we have to subtract minuend from minuend. We have to subtract the difference from the minuend. So the answer is 23,331. Okay. That is, the answer is, the number is 23,331 must be subtracted from 4,35,678 to get the difference 4,12,347. Okay. If there is any doubt, again you ask it.